Scots were here wi' Wallace bled, Scots whom Bruce has often led. Welcome to your gory bed, or to victory. Now's the day and now's the hour, see the front o' battle lower, see approach proud Edward's power, chains and slavery. War will be a traitor knave, walk and fill a coward's grave. Was the base as be a slave, let him turn and flee. War for Scotland's king and law, freedom sought will strongly draw. Freemen stand or freemen fall, let him follow me. By oppression's woes and pains, by your sons in servile chains, we will drain our dearest veins, but they shall be free. Lay the proud usurpers low, tyrants fall and every foe, liberties in every blow, let us do or deed.